In this video, I'll show you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Google Drive no longer keeps the same files stored in multiple folders the old way. Google replaced that behavior with shortcuts, which means the original file stays in one location, and you place shortcuts to it in other folders. Google says shortcuts are now the way to organize the same file across multiple locations without making extra copies. So, if your goal is to make one file appear in more than one folder, open Google Drive on your computer and find the file you want to use. Then right-click the file and choose Organize, then Add Shortcut. After that, select the folder where you want the shortcut to appear and click Add Shortcut. Google's official help says this is the standard method for placing a file in another folder without moving the original. If you want the same file to appear in several folders, repeat that same step for each. Additional folder. The original file stays in its main location, and every other location will contain a shortcut pointing to it. That means you can keep one master file while making it easy to find from different project folders, team folders, or personal folders. There is also a faster keyboard method in Google Chrome. Google says you can select the file, press Ctrl plus C, go to another folder, and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste a shortcut into that location. On Mac, the equivalent uses the Mac keyboard versions of those shortcuts. This is helpful when you need to organize a lot of files more quickly. One important detail is permissions. Google says the shortcut itself does not automatically give people access to the original file. So if someone can see the folder that contains the shortcut but does not have permission to the original file, they may still be blocked when they try to open it. In that case, you need to share the original file with them as well. Also remember that a shortcut is not the same as a duplicate. If you delete a shortcut, Google says the original file is not deleted. Only the link is removed. That makes shortcuts a safe way to organize one file across multiple folders without creating extra copies that take up more space or become hard to manage later. So the basic idea is simple. Keep the original file in one folder, then use Add Shortcut to place it in any other folders where you want easy access. That's how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.